morning, dear students and parents. I, Miss Hinal Buradia, primary educator from Rejoice International School. I am a homeroom teacher for grade 2. Today we shall be learning a very simple topic in science. Let's see what are we learning today.
Can you all see the image? What are the girls doing? Yes, you all are thinking right. They are playing with the doll and a teddy bear. While playing, suddenly they started crying. Hearing the voice, Mama came running and asked the girls, "Why are you crying?" They replied, "Mama, since when I'm talking to my doll and she is just not answering?" "Yes, Mama, even I am trying to feed biscuits to my teddy bear, but he is not eating." That's when Mama understood why were her girls crying. She then explained, "Dear girls, doll and teddy bear are non-living things and we are living things. Non-living things do not talk and eat like us."
So I hope you all have got an idea what are we learning today.
Yes, today we shall learn about living and non-living things.
Everything that we can see can be categorized into two groups, living things and non-living things. Let's understand what are living things. Living things refers to things that are alive. They need food, water, air, sunlight and shelter to live. Living things can breathe, grow and move.
Let us see few examples of living things. Monkey, tortoise, human beings, tree, sparrow and a dog.
Let's understand what are non-living things. Non-living things refers to things that are not alive. They do not grow, do not breathe and do not move.
Let us see few examples of non-living things. Ball, car, clock, book.
Non-living things can be categorized into two groups, natural and man-made. For example, stones, water and clouds are non-living things but are natural. And pencil, laptop and mobile phones are also non-living things but are man-made.
Now it's riddle time. Think and answer. We all know that cloud and car both are non-living things. Then why do they move? Be ready with your answer. We shall discuss in our virtual class session. Now it's time for your home assignment. Observe the picture carefully. You need to sort living things and non-living things. Take your notebook and divide the page in two sections, living things and non-living things as shown here. First one has been done for you. For example, mushroom is a living thing and teddy is non-living thing. You have to observe the picture and complete the table.
I hope you all have understood what are living and non-living things. We shall discuss the same in our virtual online class. Till then, this is Hinal Boradia signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.